this YouTube algorithm is just killing me. It's absolutely killing me. You know, they can say the YouTube algorithm is not against you. It's not out to get you, things like that. But man, when you post a video and it gets like 10 impressions, like 10, and it's video after video after video, and your videos are only getting like maybe 20 views. Man, YouTube, you can be a jerk. I don't know what we need to do to get that algorithm to pick it up. I watch a lot of YouTube, like most of you probably do. Probably watch just as much of that as I do regular TV now, because there's a lot of things on there I like to watch, and I always love hearing somebody's viewpoint. But I see some videos on there that are absolutely horrible. The video quality is terrible, the sound is terrible, the topic is absolutely boring. And then I see that they got 5,000 views. I don't get that. I just don't understand. I've done a lot of research on how to make this channel grow. I've listened to all the authority figures. Click this button, click that button. Do this, do that, post it this time, post on this day. None of that's working. I don't know if YouTube just doesn't like me, or if I need to like kill this channel and start a new one. I don't know. I've tried to keep my videos pretty much on the same topic. I did make a change in topics because what I was doing just wasn't sustainable. But man, 10, 20 views on a video is just absolutely killing me. Now, I don't expect to have 1 million views off any video, especially this one. It's just me ranting and raving. But it does seem like a very unlevel, unfair playing ground. I don't know. Drop down in the comments what you do to get your channel to grow as a new creator. You know, they say you got to make like 100 videos before your channel will take traction. I got that. I think this is like number 125, I think, that's up on my channel. Now, some of those are shorts, and the shorts do fairly well. And that's just because I know people's attention span is shorter, that they'll watch a short because it's a quick on, quick off, and they can go to the next one before they'll watch a long video, because that takes time and commitment. Not too much. Right now, this video is at 3 minutes and 23 seconds. So it hasn't taken a lot of your time. But what is the secret to this YouTube algorithm? What is the trick? Well, I mean, I don't understand where to go from here, what to do to get my channel to grow. Drop down in the comments what you do. Help a guy out. I'd appreciate it. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next video.